Welcome to the tutorial of the BBMRI-ERIC federated platform tool called Finder. The Finder allows a federated search of biosample-linked demographic and genomic data. To get the most out of Finder, prepare a cohort of cases and a cohort of controls that you want to search for. You can then analyse these cohorts after. Let's start in the cohort section by clicking the button Add New Cohort. Name your cohort and click Add Filter. You can search for specific variables from different categories. Hints are given by numbers on the right side of the table, since these are counts of biobanks that have the same variable in the data. Let's use the search bar at the top and search for samples with primary malignant neoplasm of ascending colon. We can see that most biobanks have primary malignant neoplasm of ascending colon or sigmoid colon, but we're interested in the ascending only. Now, we want to search for tissue samples from patients with this diagnosis. To be sure that we will find all possible samples which are available in the platform, select Tumour Tissue Sample to add it to Group 1, and then Tissue Specimen from the colon, and add it to Group 2. Then, close the pop-up window and review the choices before running the query. The results come up quite quickly. To proceed and request the cohort samples, move on to Negotiator to get in touch with the resulting biobank. This is a simple process of completing the request form for samples and/or data and submitting it. It's also possible to play around with the Analyze section in the same manner that's just been demonstrated, only with the need to ask for permission to browse the data at the beginning.